how to be consistent po. Kasi po minsan nasa peak ako ng kasipagan, then biglang mawawala. Sa akin simple lang 'yan. Kung hindi ka magsipag, sino ba ang magsa-suffer? Ako, I always make sure na tama yung ginawa ko today. Kasi alam ko 'pag I become negligent, ako rin naman ang magsa-suffer. Tayo, we want to be nasa mood tayo. We need to be in the mood to work, be in the mood to do things, be in the mood to exercise. Ang pratikong tanong, kung nag-lax ako, sabi mo biglang nawawala yung kasipagan mo, sino ba magsa-suffer niyan? And because alam ko ako magsa-suffer niyan in the future, I will myself to do what is necessary. Alam mo lahat yan desisyon. Yung sabi mo, paano ba maging consistent? If you're asking me kung paano maging consistent, it only means na you're waiting for a feeling or you're waiting for a trigger. Many years ago, may nagtanong sa akin after the pandemic. Sabi niya sa akin, I lost my business during the pandemic. Kwan siya, financial advisor siya. Sabi niya, ang hina-hina ng negosyo, hindi niya alam paano uli magsimula. So ang tanong niya sa akin, where do I find motivation? How do I restart again? So ang tanong ko sa kanya, why are you looking for motivation outside? Why are you hoping people will give you the reason to work harder or be driven? Sino ba makikinabang? Kung hindi ka nila minotivate, sila ba magsasuffer? Pag minotivate ka nila, sila ba makikinabang? Hindi naman, di ba? Ikaw lang. So yung wanting to be consistent is just a decision. Hindi yan pwede feeling. Feeling ko, yan ang karamihan ng tao. Dapat ma-feel ko valued ako ng boss ko. Dapat ma-feel ko yung joy ng trabaho. Alam mo, meron kami ilalabas na video about looking for a job that you enjoy. Isa lang sinabi ko, to enjoy is a decision. It is not something that will be given by the job. It is a decision you make regardless of the job. So sana makatulong yan sa